Hey there, champions of consumer research. I am Rishabh from Correlate Insights. Imagine you're launching a new product. You want feedback, but you can't ask everyone. So, what do? You use sampling, a smartest way to get opinions from a smaller group that represents your whole audience. So, in this video, we'll explain two key areas. First is sampling method, and second is recruitment in consumer research. Let's begin with sampling. There are two types of sampling method. First is non-probability sampling and second is probability sampling. Now let's talk about the first, that is non-probability sampling. Non-probability sampling is often used when we need quick results or when budget and time are limited. Here, people are not chosen randomly, which means not everyone gets an equal chance to be selected. Now, non-probability sampling also has two types. First is voluntary sampling. This is when people take part because they want to. For example, a brand posts a survey on Instagram and only fans respond. It's fast and gives thoughtful feedback. But you mostly hear from loyal customers, not the average buyer. And the second is convenience sampling. Here you collect feedback from the people who are easiest to reach, like co-workers or nearby shoppers. It's practical for early stage ideas, but again, the people might not match your target audience, which limits how reliable the results are. These methods are quick and flexible, but not ideal for making big decisions. Now, let's move towards probability sampling. Probability sampling is more structured. Everyone in your target audience gets an equal and fair chance to be selected. Probability sampling also has five types. First is simple random sampling. Like a lucky draw, every person has an equal chance. For example, a snack company might pick random names from its customer database and send out samples. It's fair and reliable, but you need a complete customer list to start with. Second is stratified sampling. Here you divide your audience into groups like income or city size and take sample from each. This ensures every segment is represented. For example, a baby product brand might talk to moms in both metros and small towns for richer insights. Third is clustered sampling. In this method, you divide your audience by location, like cities, and then choose a few entire clusters to study. For example, a beverage company surveys everyone in 4 cities. It saves times, but if these cities are not typical, the findings may not reflect the full picture. Fourth is multi-stage sampling. This involves multiple layers. Say, picking cities, then shops, then customers. For example, a fitness brand might first select cities, then gyms, then gym goers of age 20 to 30. It is flexible and efficient, but each stage must be planned carefully. Fifth and last is systematic random sampling. Here, you pick every nth person, like every 10th shopper in a supermarket. It spreads out responses and is easy to manage. But if there's a hidden pattern, like only morning shoppers, results could be skewed. Sampling helps to define who to talk to. But now, real fieldwork begins, going out and finding these people. So, let's talk about recruitment in consumer research. Recruitment means selecting the right people based on the criteria given by the client to participate in interviews or group discussion. Recruiters use a document called Recruitment Questionnaire, in short RQ. It has the questions and the checks to ensure right people match the target group. Say the study require women of age 25 to 35 who buys skincare monthly. Only those who pass the RQ will move ahead. Key checks during recruitment. To make sure participants are genuine, field teams uses a few smart checks. First is ask for details, not just yes or no. For example, if someone says they uses face cream, ask which brand, how often, and where they buy it. Second is use funnel style probing. Now move from broad to specific, like do you use biscuits, Which ones? Why that ones? Third is cross-check responses. Make sure income, usage, and lifestyle answers make sense together. Fourth is do back checks before the session. Agencies may call a few respondents to reconfirm their details and spot coaching. Fifth is soft probe on the day. Moderators might casually recheck basics during warm up to catch inconsistencies. Now let's talk about the challenges recruiters face, but handle with tact. Recruiting right people isn't always easy. So here are common issues recruiters deal with on the ground. First is respondents lying to qualify. Some say what they think will get them selected. Recruiters must catch this. Second, hard to find profile. Certain age, income, product combos are rare, especially in small towns or rural areas. Third is dropouts and no shows. Even confirmed people can cancel last minute. So good recruiters always keep backups ready. Fourth is permission in the rural areas. Women may need approval from family members, so timing and tone matters. Fifth is busy or disinterested urban profiles. In cities, time is the issue, not willingness. Many say can't come even after confirming. So now let's discuss about what makes a good recruiter. Behind good recruitment is a good recruiter. So what makes them effective? First is understanding the target audience, not just the criteria, but the intent behind it. Second, a good recruiter doesn't coach respondents. Genuine feedback only happens when the respondent is real and unrehearsed. Third is spot fake or hesitant answers early. A good recruiter always trusts their instincts and probe further if something feels off. Fourth is keep extra respondents ready. Always plan for last minute changes or backouts. Fifth is communicate clearly with respondents and team, from explaining many details to ensuring documents are ready. Clear messaging avoids confusion. And that's it. Sampling and recruitment goes hand in hand. One helps define who to reach and other brings them to the table. Get both right and your research becomes meaningful. Good luck in the field, stay smart, stay safe. And don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to Deep Dive Diaries for more such insightful videos.